What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We finally have the Galaxy Watch Ultra right here. Now, I've been waiting on this for so long now. Well, to be honest, it hasn't been that long, but it's been long enough. I wanted a Galaxy version of the Apple Watch Ultra because I actually did like the Apple Watch Ultra. I just thought it wasn't worth the 800 bucks because all I do with my smartwatches is pretty much what everyone does with their normal watch. And to spend 800 bucks on it, I was like, is it really worth 800 bucks? At least for me, for my day-to-day, no, I wasn't using all of the features that came with it. But we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra right here. This was $150 cheaper than the Apple Watch Ultra, and there were some trade-in discounts and things like that. So even though this launched at about $649, I only paid about 300 bucks for it, and I got a free band, an extra free band with it. So I can't really complain right here, okay? We got the Galaxy S24 Ultra right here. This is my baby right here. That is my baby. Now we have a competent and compatible companion right here. Right now, and for a while, I've been rocking this Galaxy Watch 6. It's just the regular one. Nothing too special about it, but now we have the big boy right here. Super excited. I am going to do a review on it as well. So if you guys want to tune in for that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you guys enjoy this video by the end, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It is the best way that I and YouTube knows you guys enjoy this kind of content. So as always, we have Spidey in the building. He is our official timekeeper. He makes sure these videos are short and sweet. We try to get you guys from point A to point B as quick as possible without wasting you guys time, because I know you have things to do. Again, this video is just an unboxing and first impressions, okay? But before we get into that, let's go over some of these specs really quick and just pretty much a quick comparison. So the Galaxy Watch Ultra, it only comes in 47 millimeters. It's slightly over that. It's 47.4 millimeters, as opposed to the new Galaxy Watch 7 comes in at 44 millimeters. Now the weight on this is 61.5 grams, the regular watch. And every time I say regular watch, I just want y'all to know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Galaxy Watch 7. The regular watch comes in at 33.8. So we got 61 right here, 33.8 on the other one. The material, this is titanium. The regular one, aluminum. The processor is pretty much the same for both of these. I don't know how they put storage on these things. I don't save photos to my watches. I don't save certain songs or music on my, I don't do that. I don't know anybody who does that, but hey, it is what it is. This has a sapphire crystal glass covering on it, or casing on it. Pretty much the same sensors, the same bands. You have a action button, basically. They call it the quick button, I think it is, but it's the action button. There's no rotating bezel on this. There is a bezel, but it's not rotating. It's a 590 milliamp battery as opposed to the regular one, which is a 425 milliamp battery. Obviously, you have Wear OS in here. You have speakers, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. So let's hop into this bad boy, right? Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, because we're gonna send this back to Samsung. We don't need this anymore. So what should I open for, Spidey? Come on, what should I open first? All right, so you have the trail band right here. So let's just rip this off. We don't need to be polite because this is never going back in this box ever again. You got your paperwork right here, just telling you how to attach it. Now let's take this out. Boom, here is your trail band. I like this. Nice and sturdy. I didn't want to get the orange one. I got the like silver Galaxy Watch, as you can see. So take this off right here. This feels very nice, very textured. You can tell this is definitely for like rock climbing people. You know, it's very, it feels very rugged. You got the Samsung branding right there. Your quick release. I'm excited to see how these work. So there's no longer this button that you have to use to, you know, clamp on and clamp off. You actually just basically push it in like that, and then it should click. Now I gotta get used to those release toggles because again, this is my first time using this watch. So as you can see, small, medium, and large, it fits all. You can adjust it. Yeah, again, stretchy. So let's just sit this right here really quick, and then we have the box. This thing is nice. You got your Samsung branding. You actually have the picture of which watch you ordered, so that's pretty cool. Galaxy Watch Ultra branding right here. All of the watches come with LTE. I just want a Bluetooth one. I don't make calls on my phone or my watch, things like that, but it comes with it. So it is what it is. Maybe I might find myself in a situation where I might use that. You got your regular details on the back. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. All right, that's it. Nothing on the top. So let's rip this off right here. So this is legit unboxing. You know, sometimes just due to convenience and certain things, if I'm trying to take a picture of the thumbnail, sometimes I usually have to open the box before the unboxing, but I don't touch much in it and I just put it right back. But this is a legit unboxing. All right, so we rip those off, slide this out, and there you have it. Here is, I think this is the actual bezel, and then you have your band. You have your band right here. So let's move that box to the side. All right, let's check this band out really quick. I know, I'm building it up. I'm sorry, I can't help it. What did it say on the box? Did it even say what kind of band this was? I don't even think it said what kind of band it is. This is more like the sporty one. So for if you're trying to, like, you know, swim and stuff, it has these little holes through it so the water can and air and stuff can kind of go through. It's more of a rubbery feel, so you can work out with this as well. This one I won't be working out in at all because I don't want to sweat this cloth and make it nasty and stinky. I'll be using this one a lot. Again, you can see the clamps right here. I'm interested to see how that works. So let's get to the actual device itself. I don't have a knife, but let's see if we can peel this off, which we can. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's get this one as well. They're making this pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more difficult to pull off. Boom. Oh, sheesh. Anything else in the box? Ooh, so much paperwork in here. Like, golly, save the trees, man. Save the trees. Yes. All right. We have the charging cable. So I'm gonna make sure this works because I actually have a charger right here on my laptop. Boom. And then this should be the part that connects. Boom. Oh, there we go. We got some charge. Look at this bad boy right here. Now we gotta compare. We're gonna compare these too. I do like the look of this. I like the silver. I didn't want the one with the orange tassels on here or markers. I just thought this one looked a little bit cleaner, just at least for my day-to-day. So I don't have to try to blend the orange as much, if that makes any sense. And plus, I do have the some of the accents of orange right here, so it works out just fine. But as far as the look of this, man, this thing looks kind of presidential. Oh my gosh. So I'm guessing these are the releases for your bands. So you have your action button, or quick button is what they're calling it. Your regular bezels right here, or your buttons right here to go back or to power it off, you know, things like that. Your home button, that's what it is. Again, you have like a silver and black or blackish gray kind of accent. Your speakers right here, and also I think that's probably the water eject ports right there as well. This thing looks super good. I think this is a microphone. That little dot right there should be a microphone. And again, more speakers and your eject ports right there. If you look on the back, you have your sensors. I'm guessing these are where some screws are. That may be another microphone. I'm not sure. You have some kind of branding of what the actual watch is. Some specs on here on the back. But other than that, that's about it. What do you guys think about this? I think this looks pretty damn good, if I must say so myself. So let's power this on. Boom. There we go. We got action. We're going to let this turn on, and then we're going to do the setup process. All right, really quick, guys, while that's setting up or turning on, this is what the old, or I won't say old, but this is what the standard, basically, Galaxy Watch looks like. As you can see, complete redesign from this, as far as definitely your ports on where you plug in your bands, just the overall shape of it. This is a little bit bigger at 47 millimeters as far as the actual circumference of the touchscreen display. And then you have some extra real estate on the sides there. Your buttons, as you can see right here, big difference in the buttons. A little bit more aesthetically pleasing, I would say, but same usual setup. You got your microphone right there. You got your microphone on the side right here. Your ports where you hook your bands into, significantly different, as you can see. This is supposedly quick action, but this is a little bit more quick action. And then over here, you have extra over here. So that's good. The ejector point on this one, I think it's just this little dot right here. I think that's that little dot. And then on the back, it looks a little bit different. You can tell the sensors are definitely upgraded. So we're going to go ahead and set this bad boy up. So let's get our phone out and let's see. It automatically detects, oh man. So it detects it right here. So we're going to connect. We're going to have to disconnect the previous Apple or Galaxy Watch that I have on here. So confirm, these are the same numbers. Downloading software. Oh man, hopefully this does not take too long. Spidey, I know how you get fidgety. Let's see permissions, terms, blah blah blah, sending diagnostic, privacy. We're gonna accept all that. Continue. Do I want to allow this to get all these notifications? Yes, we are. We're going to allow that. Yes, it can send me notifications. Getting ready to connect. All right, you guys, so we are back. I had to sign into my Google account for it to connect, so that's what it's doing right now. Google terms and service, all this good stuff. Agree. All right, so it says select apps for your watch. Recommended for watch. I don't want to overdo these apps like this Nike Run Club. I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to use the standard Samsung stuff because I do want to test all that out. So all this extra third-party apps, I'm not going to be using that. Yeah, I'm good. I don't need that. So it's going to download that stuff. Automatic watch backup. Yeah, that's cool. Smart switch is on watch. Wait, I can't read. Smart switch on watch uses these permissions. Okay, great. Let's allow. Anyways, we're going to let that go, and then we're going to set back up. Give me a second. All right, you guys, so we are back. Now it's saying, what can I do with this select quick button action? Basically your action button, okay? Don't try to get fancy, Samsung. So what do I want this to do? I usually start my workouts with a little walk or stretch. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this quick action or this action button. Open my exercises. Actually, that might be good. So instead of scrolling to it, I can just press that to open my exercises. That'll be awesome. Let's just do open my exercises. I think I'm cool with open my exercises. Let's click on next. Now set your wearing preference. Those of you who don't know, when you have a smartwatch on, but you do have tattoos on your wrist, sometimes it makes it a little bit difficult to detect your workouts and some other readings. And I found out with not only the Apple Watch Ultra, but also the Galaxy Watch that it makes those readings kind of off sometimes. So I don't know if this one's a little bit different because of the wrist detection, but we're going to try to put it on our left wrist again to see if it works. I'm going to be doing tests on that as opposed to the right, because I usually have to wear it on my right because there's no tattoos over here. But we're going to try to set it up on our left wrist, see how that goes. If it works out, great. If not, we're going to have to switch back to the right wrist, but you guys will know that in my official review. So let's just go with left, and then the button position. We want the buttons on the right of screen, I guess. So we want it like this. So that's how we're going to do it. Let's click next, create your own multi-sport workout. So this is good because I have a string of workouts that I do when I work out. So create custom workout routine. So let's create one. We got to allow the Samsung Health, set time, manual. I usually warm up for about, let's just do 8 minutes. So our warm up time, 8 minutes. Check your body's battery level. Wait, why did it take me out of there? Understand your sleep for better rest. So I did order the Galaxy Ring. So that is primarily going to monitor my sleeping. Find out if you're at risk for sleep apnea. Sure. Double pinch to control your watch. Sure. Get help in an emergency. Sure. Set up mobile plan. I don't want to do that. Let's skip that. All right, so we skipped all that. Now this thing is loading up, and it should be functional in just a second. All right, so we have Samsung Find set up. You have your quick panel. This is pretty much what I had it on the other watch. You got your watch settings, watch faces. I want to use the new watch faces. So right here, this is what I want to do. They got some pretty cool ones on here. Like, look at this. These are some pretty cool watch faces. And it monitors all that good stuff. The Ultra Info Board. Let's try that. Ooh. Oh, that's this thing. Huh. This is nice. I like this. It's this one right here. Let's try this one. I think this is the newest one that you can get. Yeah, I like this. I don't know. I just like more information. So we got the compass on there, style. You got color. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Hands. Let's do that. Night mode. Auto. Yeah, let's do auto for night mode. Complications. Moon phases. Let's do weekly activity. And then my energy score. Yeah, I want to see that. That'll be pretty interesting. And then weather, that's fine. I don't really need to see the battery. Chance of rain. Let's see if we can do battery, actually. We'll do battery right there. Okay, we're good. So let's save this. All right, you guys. So I did find the multi-sport button right here. So you can do like multi-sport right here. You click on it. But you can edit what you want on there. So you can have a preset one for the triathlon, one right here for the dualthon, or duathon, and then aquathon. And then you can create your own right here, and then you can add another one. But if you add them, they only have a select amount of options you can choose from. Bike indoor, mountain biking, open water swim, pool swim, running, treadmill. So those are the only ones that you can choose from, which is unfortunate. I thought it was going to have more, but it's fine. I set my action button to basically start an exercise. So as you can see right here, it says how to use. You just click it to start the exercise, and then you click it again to pause or resume the exercise. And then if you want to record a lap while you're running or biking, and then to finish that exercise right there. So I'm going to click OK, and I'm actually going to set this to walking now. So if I click this, it should start that exercise with walking. Again, it's showing me how to use it. Boom, right there. Agree. And then it will start my walk right here. This is just the initial setup. I'm super excited. I'm going to clip one of these bands on. I'm about to head out. So I'm going to clip one of these bands on, see how it goes for the day. Again, I think you just press and hold this maybe, and then snap it in, or maybe it just goes in. Not sure. I don't want to break it. But yeah, you just press the button to hold it in, and then it'll go right into place. Let's press this one to make this one go in. And boom, there you have it. Again, I think this watch looks super freaking awesome. We're going to be rocking this a lot, so you guys make sure you stay tuned. I highly recommend this right now, at least, but we're going to do the review and we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to head out. I'm going to be gone all day, walking, doing all this stuff. So I'm going to start testing this thing, and we should have a review within a week and a half or so. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Spidey, sorry this took so long. Peace.